Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the voice chat on Roblox. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, you will need just to go to the settings here and by click on the 3 points icon and click here on settings, and then you will need just to go to privacy, and basically there you can find the chat input or the chat voice chat, and then you will need just to enable it as for. But first you will need just to meet some requirements. All you need to do is to be able to be eligible to have the voice chat. So only chat voice is currently available to all phone verified user, which are this country, the US and all this country. The user that are not included in those country, we need just to be ID verified. To be phone verified, you will need just to go to your settings, go to the account info, you add uh, your number, so your phone number, you will need just to add it, and of course you will need to add your email, and you will need just to verify. Otherwise, if you want to be ID verified, you will need just to go to settings, and under your personal birthday here, you will need just to click on verify my age. By clicking on it, you will need just to add your email and click on continue, and they will send you some verification code. So basically, let's just have it like that and just continue. And as you can see, you need just to verify your code. You will need just to add your password as a confirmation, and then you will receive a code on your email, and then you will just add it here. And after that, you will have this page where you can just add your verification documents. And here you will need just to prepare a valid ID, and basically we need just to wait for your account or your age to be validated, and then you will be able to start using the chat with voice. And to enable it, as I said, you will need just to go to the privacy tab, and you will toggle the use microphone to chat with voice. It will be similar to the camera icon. Use camera to animate your avatar, but you will have use microphone to chat with voice. You will need just to check it and you will have your chat voice that will be enabled on your game. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.